Hey there, all you cool cats and kittens. It's Friday, which means it's day 18 of your NTI work. Let's get it done so you can enjoy your weekend. Like yesterday, you have your options to complete worksheets in the reading packet and then be working on your president project paragraphs. If you'd rather do things digitally, you can always work on Freckle, complete a Mission US mission, or be typing up your president project paragraphs. And then you also have Apple available as a paper option as well as digitally. Warning, my cat is also wanting to join this video, so if you hear any meowing, Waffles the cat says hello. Alright, so today your Apple is art. If you would like to do the paper option, you can draw a picture using only the primary colors, which are red, blue, and yellow. Or you can go online to Brain Pop Junior, click on Arts and Technology, then click on Art, choose Elements of Art, watch the video, and then take the quiz. For reading and social studies, you have the passage called Life-Saving Ice in the Hot Desert. Then for math today, it's a little bit different. You're actually working on estimating fraction sums and differences. So like here, 1/2 minus 1/3, I think 1/3 is closer to 1/2 than 0. So your estimate there would just be 0, okay? So here, 1/8 plus 1/4. If you want to go ahead and solve it, you are welcome to do that. I know that would be the kind of person that I am. If I wanted to say that, okay, 1/8 is closer, or excuse me, 1/8 plus 1/4 is probably going to be close to 1/2, because I know I have a quarter here, and if I'm adding anything to it, it's going to be closer to 1/2 than 0, so I could put 1/2. If I have 4/5 minus 1/2, I could say that's close to a 1/5, or whatever you would like to do here for estimates. I'm not going to be too picky about it. Honestly, I would probably prefer that you guys did go out and, go ahead and solve them. But if you'd rather practice your estimating skills, you are welcome to do that. If you need examples of how to add or subtract these numbers, you can go ahead and watch yesterday's video for day 17. One thing I will show you though is how to convert these numbers here, these mixed numbers, into improper fractions. So I'll actually do that here with this number 2 5/8 plus 1 1/4, just as a reminder. That's 2 5/8 plus 1 1/4. Okay, so to do this, you multiply your whole number here times your denominator. So that would be 16. Okay, then that 16 I would add to 5 and put it in my numerator. So 2 5/8 is the same thing as 21/8. And then 1 1/4 here. Whole number times denominator, that's 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So I'd have 5/4. Okay. Now if I'm estimating though, and not going through and solving, I don't have to do all of that unless it helps you. So I could say 2 plus 1 is 3. I have these fractions here. I'm going to say those probably are close to 1. So I'd say my answer is probably close to 4. Okay, so you can do that real quickly, or if you'd rather and you feel like you need the practice of adding and subtracting fractions, you're welcome to truly solve the problem. Okay, so you've got a few more questions on that. Then here, they're just multiple choice, same thing. So, like, I'll pick the one Keith because my dad's name's Keith. Keith bought a package with 2 9/16 pounds of ground meat to make hamburgers. He has 2/5 pounds of ground meat left. About how many pounds of ground meat did he use for the hamburgers? Okay, so I'm going to round this up to 3 pounds personally, and then he has 2/5 of it left. Okay, so we can even round that up to 1. I'd say it's about probably 2 pounds left. Okay, you may disagree with me if as long as you can prove your answers on this, I'm going to let you have it. Okay, so however you want to do that is perfectly fine with me. These spiral reviews though, These are ones that you'll need to truly go through and solve. Okay, so there's things about ounces here. What's the total weight of the ounces? Here, you're going to estimate for division. I would personally round this up to 24 and do 24 divided by 6. Here, it's still kind of estimating. You'll solve that 345 pieces distributed to 23 classmates. Here, you find the rule. Okay, these are a little bit different. Don't stress. If you're stressing, let me know and just solve them. Don't worry about the estimating if that's getting you confused. Just solve the problems. If you have any issues, though, please reach out to me and we will solve them together. Have a great Friday. Don't forget to smash the like button, ring the bell. I had to. It is Friday after all. Anyway, you have a great day and let me know if I can help you in any way.